Signs of high blood pressure you should not ignore. Presented by Beta Health, where health and fitness matters. In this video, I will show you 10 signs and symptoms of high blood pressure you should never ignore, foods to eat if you have high blood pressure, and also foods to avoid. Further, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel for more great videos. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. High blood pressure is a common condition, in which the long-term force of the blood against your artery walls is high enough that it may eventually cause health problems, such as heart disease. Blood pressure is determined both by the amount of blood your heart pumps, and the amount of resistance to blood flow in your arteries. The more blood your heart pumps, and the narrower your arteries, the higher your blood pressure. You can have high blood pressure, hypertension, for years without any symptoms. Even without symptoms, damage to blood vessels, and your heart continues and can be detected. Uncontrolled high blood pressure increases your risk of serious health problems including heart attack and stroke. High blood pressure generally develops over many years, and it affects nearly everyone eventually. Fortunately, high blood pressure can be easily detected. And once you know you have high blood pressure, you can work with your doctor to control it. What is blood pressure? Blood pressure refers to the force that the blood in your vessels exerts on the walls of your arteries. For your blood pressure measurement, you're probably familiar with the two numbers. The top number or systolic blood pressure, and the bottom number, diastolic blood pressure. The systolic blood pressure refers to the pressure in your vessels, when the heart is contracting or squeezing. The diastolic blood pressure refers to the pressure in your vessels, when the heart is relaxed. Normal blood pressure numbers. Normal or healthy blood pressure is when that top number is less than 120 and that bottom number, the diastolic, is less than 80. Elevated blood pressure numbers. You have elevated blood pressure if the systolic is between 120 and 129, while the diastolic is still less than 80. Here are 10 symptoms of high blood pressure you should never ignore. And make sure you pay attention to the last symptom, because it may be the most important. 1. Headache. When you have hypertension, a headache or even pounding in the ears can be a symptom. If you have hypertension, especially if it's very high, you can have elevated pressure pushing against the arteries within your brain. This can cause a headache, or even a sensation of pounding in the ears. 2. Blurry vision. Blurry vision, or change in vision, can also be a symptom of hypertension. In your eyes, you have a retina. They're at the back of your eyes, and they have many small blood vessels. When you have very elevated blood pressure, especially chronically, then these vessels can be damaged, or compromised, and you can get something called hypertensive retinopathy. These tiny blood vessels in the back of your eyes can even bleed, and this can lead to blurry vision. You can also have increased pressure in your eyes, related to hypertension, which can cause blurry vision. And if the blood flow to the retina happens to be compromised, or even if it stops, then you can actually have a loss of vision. 3. Fatigue. Fatigue or excess tiredness, or even confusion can be symptoms of high blood pressure for many reasons. When you have hypertension, it can compromise your heart, or the way that your heart pumps blood and oxygen flow to your body. This certainly can cause fatigue. You can also have a compromise of your lungs, or the way that you oxygenate, which again, can cause fatigue. And certainly, you can have neurological symptoms, related to the high blood pressure, again causing fatigue. 4. Chest pain. Chest pain can certainly be a symptom of hypertension, as hypertension is a leading cause of heart attacks, or heart failure. When you have very elevated blood pressure, it can compromise the blood flow to your coronary arteries, or your other arteries, and it can lead to a heart attack or a myocardial infarction. If this happens, well, certainly, you can have chest pain. So chest pain can be a symptom of high blood pressure you don't want to ignore. 5. Weakness. Weakness can certainly be a symptom of high blood pressure, especially if it is a focal weakness. Because that could be an indication that you've had a stroke or a cerebral vascular accident. Hypertension is the leading cause of strokes, so if you have facial drooping, arm weakness, and/or leg weakness, that could mean that your high blood pressure has led to a stroke, or neurological compromise. 6. Nausea. You can have nausea and/or vomiting as a symptom of hypertension. It can be for a number of reasons. You can become nauseated, as a result of increased intracranial pressure. For example, if your high blood pressure has caused some of the vessels in your brain to erupt, then you can have a hemorrhagic stroke, which can cause increased pressure within your brain, and that increased pressure can trigger nausea or vomiting. Also, if your hypertension has caused you to have a heart attack, then one of the atypical symptoms of heart disease can be nausea and vomiting. 7. Shortness of breath. Shortness of breath could be a symptom of high blood pressure, for many reasons. You can have shortness of breath due to a heart attack from high blood pressure. Shortness of breath due to pulmonary edema, or excess fluid in the lungs, which can be related to elevated blood pressure. Also, you can get shortness of breath if hypertension has led to heart failure, which causes an inadequate pumping of the blood, and leads to a backup of fluid in the lungs, again, pulmonary edema. So, shortness of breath can be a symptom of high blood pressure you should never ignore. 8. Back pain. That may sound odd, but yes, back pain can be a symptom of hypertension you should not ignore. High blood pressure can lead to an emergence, a very, very serious phenomenon called aortic dissection. That's when the aorta is compromised in a way where you start bleeding into the wall of the aorta, and this can be fatal. Very elevated blood pressures can trigger aortic dissection. And one of the main symptoms of aortic dissection is back pain. So yes, back pain can be a symptom of high blood pressure you should absolutely never ignore. 9. Nosebleeds. Albeit rare, a nosebleed can be a symptom of high blood pressure. You have many tiny blood vessels within your nasal airways, and if you have elevated blood pressure, it can damage these vessels, and when that pressure is high, and that force against these arteries is great, it can cause you to have a nosebleed. 10. Nothing. Finally, symptom number 10 is probably the most important symptom of hypertension that you should realize. Nothing. Most people actually have no symptoms whatsoever of hypertension. This is why they call hypertension the silent killer. So you can have extremely high blood pressure, even blood pressure in the 200s over 100s. And if your body has compensated, if you have become used to living with dangerously high blood pressures, then you could walk around with absolutely no symptoms whatsoever. The frightening thing about this is that a lot of people feel that because they don't have symptoms, when their blood pressure is very high, they think that, perhaps high blood pressure is what is normal for them. Well, I'm here to tell you, this could not be farther from the truth. Even when your body has compensated, and you are having no symptoms with your high blood pressure, or elevated blood pressure, hypertension actually can still cause damage. It can still cause kidney failure. It can still cause heart attacks, heart failure, strokes, and even death. So hypertension is not normal for anyone. Here's how you can avoid high blood pressure. 1. Stress. Any sort of psychological stress, whether it is financial, work-related, or relationship, should be avoided. Stress can lead to numerous poor health outcomes, high blood pressure, or hypertension being one of them. 2. Diabetes. People who have high blood sugar are at a higher risk of hypertension. It is very important that this is detected and carefully managed. People who are diabetic need to change their lifestyle by developing healthy eating habits, regular physical exercise, avoiding processed food, limiting alcohol, proper medication, adequate rest, and reduced salt intake. 3. Obesity. Blood pressure often increases when body weight increases. It is extremely essential to maintain a normal body mass index (BMI), which is 20 to 25. Having a BMI greater than 25 increases your risk of high blood pressure or hypertension. Weight loss can significantly reduce your blood pressure. Therefore, it is extremely important for us to maintain a healthy body weight. 4. Inactivity. We all know that physical activity is essential for the overall health. Regular physical exercise is important, as your heart is also a muscle. Like all the other muscles in your body, it also needs to be exercised regularly in order to keep it strong and healthy. This means it should pump the blood efficiently around the body, and your blood pressure is naturally lowered. For this, you should do at least 30 minutes of exercise every day. 5. Healthy diet. A healthy diet is extremely important in all the stages of life. You should include fresh fruits, and dark green leafy vegetables, dairy products, proteins, fiber-rich foods, low-fat dairy products, whole grains and foods rich in essential vitamins and minerals in your diet. Eating right is the key to healthy living. Foods to eat if you have high blood pressure. Berries. Bananas. Healthy nuts. Oatmeal. Yogurt. Garlic. Salmon. Seeds like flax seeds, and chia seeds. Foods to avoid if you have high blood pressure. Pickles. Salt. Packaged foods. Processed meat. Frozen food. Alcohol. Always remember to consult your physician, or any other health professional, to learn more about the risk factors for hypertension, so that, if necessary, you can take appropriate actions. We have come to the end. Thank you for watching. But before you go, please check out the products in the description and comments section. They are highly rated exercise equipment worth a try out. See you in the next video.